got it in, see? With some practice and no camera, that could probably go a lot smoother. All right, you hear that ticking. I've been chasing it down for a long time here, only because I don't have much time to work on this, but I took my stethoscope and I put it on each header pipe, and you can actually hear the lifters ticking, and I think the first one might be the worst on this side, and then I don't know, I don't remember for sure, but the second and the third one I think are kind of loud, and then the fourth one is a little quieter, I think. I don't remember, but I know that there's the first one's loudest. I know that, so that's the easiest one to get to. This valve cover is the easiest one to get to. So I think I'm gonna pull it off and look at the cam and see if there's any wear marks. And I got a couple lash adjusters and rocker arms, and maybe I can get rid of this thing with just a couple of them. Okay, I got the valve cover off. Let's take a tour. That's pretty tight. You can actually see the tensioner in there. But we do got some wear going on the cam. So that's the first one there, and that's the loudest one. Looks like this whole side. Getting pretty bad. And I only got two. Then we got this going on, and that might be because I broke that off and left it open, but that looks like moisture is getting in, or has gotten in. But I don't see that on the dipstick or in the oil changes, so I don't know what to think of that. Okay, I got the cam rolled, pointed towards the intake. I think I got it enough. I've never done this before. Hopefully I got it in the right position. The idea is to pop it off right there without breaking your coil. Let's see. Got it. I don't see any wear marks. And this is solid. Well, that's good, I guess. Let's see here. that's not good. Well, it's good. But if all of these are good, then it's not good. Get a good video with just a phone. These are the wrong size for the job. Yep, they're the wrong size. Oh, holy crap. Something in the way there. Well, it's hitting on the cam. Guess I gotta rotate the cam again to get that out. Well, this first one is good. It doesn't wiggle or nothing. It's really hard to push, but I think that's normal. I can't even get it to move, but that's flat. That one's good. So we can put that back. So that one you slide it on the valve first, and then you slide it in underneath the valve lash, or the lash adjuster. Then you take your bar and you put it right there, and you pop that sucker up that way, and it pops right back on. There's a lot of videos about it. I'm not gonna try to make a good one about putting these in and taking them out, but that's the gist of it. Well, all 10 of them were just like the first one. Everything looked brand new. So if this ain't spark knock, then I'm probably pretty screwed. were 50 bucks. Goes up and behind the, in between there. And right there, I had to cut that bolt out with a torch because it's stripped. And then this handy dandy Aries screw extractor or bolt extractor came in handy again. I only got on there a little bit too. There's like a 1/4 inch sticking out, and it wasn't stuck real hard, but that worked good. And then this one isn't even the right one, so I paid what one was worth on most sites for both of these. So this one was a waste of time because that's how it's supposed to. It's short, see, and that's not how it's designed to bolt up. So this might have been for a different shock, but it did work. I'm pushing on it and it won't go up, so I think that one was a perfect fit. Look how much that grabbed on. The impact wouldn't get it, it stripped the bolt. But it must not have been too tight. That's pretty good. I mean, I'm impressed with that tool. I'm glad I got it. All right, in here you can hear the tick really good. Sitting in the vehicle, so watch this now. Stops. Right there it stops. It's not ticking at all. I'm brake torquing right now. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm in neutral. Okay, here. Now I'm in drive. Okay. So what do you think of that? This is in park. About 1800. 2000's definitely gone.